Hi guys, here is the honest review of AI Graphics Factory. SDXL 1.0 powered in just one click. Turn simple words into mesmerizing, attention-grabbing, realistic graphics that sell instantly, with no graphic skills, tools, or budget. Latest and most advanced text-to-image model. Create unlimited text-to-image graphics, illustrations, photos for your blogs, websites, ads, social media and more. If you purchase the product from the link in the description box, I am going to provide a free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase and I will send you the bonus. AI Graphics Factory will do all of the following and more for you. Awesome features. 100% cloud-based software. Easy-to-use interface. Create and download unlimited text-to-image graphics with no limitation. Generate images in multiple design styles, including SDXL 1.0. Powerful inbuilt image editor to 10x your results. Easy to access campaigns and projects. One-click save to favorites and gallery. Access 50 million plus royalty-free stock resources with one keyword. Viral meme finder to attract social media attention. Share and download your graphics instantly. Why AI Graphics Factory? Here are the major benefits you'll get from AI Graphics Factory. Get the first mover advantage and dominate your market. Get professional quality results instantly. Unlimited access and downloads. No restrictions, personal and commercial rights included. Unlimited customizations. Save thousands, no paying high monthly fee to stock websites. Be safe, no violation of copyright laws. Save time and energy. Free updates in forever. 24x7 support in 100% uptime guaranteed. And you also have limited time fast action bonuses. The price of AI Graphics Factory is just $17 if you purchase it today. There is no risk. You are covered by 30-day money-back guarantee.